So like here we are describing how the spectrum memory works with a Rizla paper and the top of the lid from the box. And the Rizla paper represents the spectrum's memory with the ROM display and other stuff, the first 16K. And afterwards is the user RAM, about 32K, and you've got 168 bytes for the standard UDG area. And when you switch on, the computer's set up like that. And the clear statement's been set here for this area to reserve this for the graphics. If you type in something silly like clear 32,000, what you're actually doing, or 33,000, is setting the clear statement up here like this, somewhere up near here. Fiddle, 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 fingers, oh man, there, look. So this bit here is all you've got left for your basic program, and all that's been reserved for machine code. Like a slide rule, the higher up the memory, these are bigger numbers, these are the smaller numbers, starting from 0 to 65,500 la-di-da. So now you could set a clear statement halfway up. And that's all for the basic, that's all for code and fonts and graphics. But generally, we tend to set a few K. I might go 60,000 and leave myself 5K at the end for programs I want to use and UDGs. Brilliant. The many uses of Rizla papers. Roll it up and smoke it next. Thanks for watching.